Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the incredible history of the Olympic Games. For over 2,000 years, this global sporting event has brought together athletes from all over the world to compete in the name of athleticism, unity, and peace. The ancient Olympic Games were first held in Olympia, Greece, in 776 BC. These games were part of a religious festival honoring Zeus, the king of the gods, and were held every 4 years. The games featured various athletic contests, including foot races, boxing, and wrestling. Athletes from different parts of Greece would compete, and the winners were celebrated as heroes. The ancient Olympics lasted for almost 12 centuries, but they eventually came to an end in 393 AD when the Roman Emperor Theodosius I banned them. He saw the Olympics as a pagan ritual and wanted to promote Christianity instead. For nearly 1,500 years, the Olympic Games remained dormant until a Frenchman named Pierre de Coubertin revived them in the late 19th century. He believed that the Games could promote peace and understanding between nations and saw them as a way to promote physical fitness and mental discipline. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece in 1896. They were a great success and featured athletes from 14 countries competing in 9 sports. Since then, the Games have been held every 4 years, with the exception of a few years during World War I and World War II. Over the years, the Olympic Games have grown to become the largest and most prestigious sporting event in the world. Today, thousands of athletes from over 200 countries compete in more than 30 different sports. The Olympic Games have been the site of many historic moments. In 1960, Ethiopian runner Abebe Bikila became the first black African to win an Olympic gold medal. He did it by running the marathon barefoot, an incredible feat of endurance and determination. In 1964, the Olympic Games were held in Tokyo, Japan, marking the first time they were held in Asia. These games were particularly memorable because of the rise of a young Japanese athlete named Yoshinori Sakai, who was born in Hiroshima on August 6, 1945, the day the atomic bomb was dropped on the city. Sakai symbolized Japan's resilience and determination to overcome the devastation of World War II. The 1972 Olympics in Munich, Germany, were marred by tragedy when a group of terrorists broke into the Olympic Village and took 11 Israeli athletes hostage. The situation ended in a horrific massacre that shocked the world. The incident highlighted the need for increased security at the Games. In 1980, the Olympic Games were held in Moscow, Russia, but many countries, including the United States, boycotted the Games in protest of the Soviet Union's invasion of Afghanistan. 4 years later, the Soviet Union and other Eastern Bloc countries boycotted the Los Angeles Olympics in retaliation. Despite these challenges, the Olympic Games continue to be a celebration of international unity and athletic excellence. The Games bring together people from different cultures and backgrounds, promoting understanding and friendship. They inspire young people around the world to pursue their dreams and push themselves to be their best. In conclusion, the history of the Olympic Games is a testament to the power of sports to bring people together. From the ancient Greeks to the modern world, the Olympics have inspired generations of athletes and fans alike. We hope this deep dive into their remarkable story has given you a greater appreciation for this incredible global event. Thank you for watching.